I take these journeys.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'm going to be installing and styling this wig. Today's unit has been sent to me from Afsisterwig, so I do want to say thank you to them for sending me this unit. I'm going to show you guys a little updo action with a little bit of curly and 99J-ness going on, so if you're interested, then continue to watch. Before I jump into the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload, as well as follow me on my socials, which will be in the description bar below, as well as right here on the screen. So the unit that I'm reviewing today is a 13x6 lace front ombre burgundy 99J curly wig, and it's 16 inches long. So I did bleach the knots off camera, and the style that I'm going for today, obviously as you saw at the beginning, is going to be like a top hairstyle. So this unit has a 6-inch deep part. It's also a curly texture. The quality of this hair is absolutely amazing. So it's been colored. Y'all, it's been colored and it actually just still feels like a great texture. It still has so much curl to it. It feels so soft. I had no shedding whatsoever, no tangling at all. And then the lace took the bleach extremely well. I also appreciate the fact that my lace also blended into my skin with very minimum work required. I did go over it with my bronzer powder just a little bit, just to make sure that it blended, like, you know, super duper well. But I absolutely adore this unit. So during my process, I am going to add some water as well as some mousse. So I got this new product from ZEELLE, and I'll put that in my description bar below as well. It's like it says that it's wig shaper infused with argan oil, and it pumps out just like a mousse. So that's how I used it to just mold my wig and make sure that, you know, I keep this nice curly texture to it. So I really like this stuff. It smells great, and then it also just reacted to the hair very well. Also, to just lay my lace down and make sure I don't have any flyaways and that the hair can be just as silk and straight as possible, I use this also from ZEELLE, and it's called the Hairline Master. It's like a wax stick. This is my new favorite wax stick. I promise y'all, this product is absolutely amazing. It adds oil to your hair as well as just taming your hair down and making it super duper flat. And just, it catches every single hair. Like, once I put that hot comb over it, I was like, darn, this is my jam. I love this product. So I really like how it reacted as well with this wig. And obviously that tells you that this quality of this hair is absolutely amazing. I also want to touch on the density of this unit. It is super full and even all the way around, so you get the perfect density throughout the whole wig. It's not just like at the top, at the bottom. I love that it's just full everywhere and even. So, and I definitely appreciate that when it comes to shorter wigs, because sometimes shorter wigs can fall off a little bit and not be as full. I have had a lot of experience with that, having shorter units, and they're just not as full. So I really appreciate how this one keeps this same density all the way around. So I hope you guys are liking the little updo style that I gave you in today's video. I felt like it was different, more than my usual middle parts. So I got to start expanding a little bit, you know, giving you guys the different styles and showing you what these wigs can do. So that's another awesome feature of this unit, is versatile, and you can give yourself basically, you know, a different little style. And my little apple piece that you see right here is actually connected to the scrunchie. It's a scrunchie that they actually included in this package, so I just used it to kind of hold my hair in place with the bun. I thought it was cute and it added a little cute feature. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment as well. And that's all I have for you guys. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.